Hello viewers, how are you? In this video I will discuss on how to add CSS file with JavaScript. Web developers can use JavaScript to load a CSS file dynamically, possibly on the basis of the type of page that is called by the user or the type of rights that a user has within an application. The following solution explains how to use the JavaScript language to load an external CSS file. Following is the standard HTML5 procedure to load an external CSS file on the page. As you know, CSS file is to load in head section of HTML document. So we will have to write script that will point a reference to it on the head section of the page with script tag. When the browser reads the content of the HTML page that is loaded, the CSS file is added to the page. Therefore, we could say that the external file is loaded synchronously. However, with JavaScript, you can load the external file on demand using the createElement method of the DOM object document to create the link tag that will then load the file. Look at the following code. CreateElement method creates the link tag to load CSS file. You can set the different properties of link object, like rel attribute, type attribute, and name of file. Followings are the necessary properties of link object. Add the property to create relation of file with document. Add the property to specify the type of content to load. Add the link of CSS file to load. The last step is to apply the link object to the page and load the CSS file. You have to call method appendChild, which adds link tag under the specified element as your choice. If you want to add CSS file in head section, you have to specify head element. Look at the following statement. GetElementByTagName method selects an element, under which you have to add CSS file. AppendChild method applies the link object to the page under selected element by you. In this statement, we have selected head element. So link tag will be created under the head tag. For understanding clearly, watch the visual. In the previous section, we discussed methods that can be used to load a CSS file using JavaScript. To do this, you can create a JavaScript function that accepts two parameters, One is the name of the CSS file to be loaded, and the other is the ID assigned to the link tag. This second parameter allows you to check whether the file has already been loaded. Watch the visual to load CSS file with function. Insert an if control that checks that the ID of the element isn't already in the page. This would mean that the CSS file has already been loaded. Oh, sorry. I have missed to apply append child method. Set the properties of the link object, you use setAttribute method. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the videos on time.